You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Dodge Durango. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Durango makes even the most demanding tasks look and feel easy. Its bold power, uncompromising capability, and technology that prioritizes passenger safety and comfort make it the go-to SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get the SUV that's got the style and strength to get the job done right. Test drive the Durango.